and welcome to the 5th video of the Shuddhi chakras activation. In this video we're activating the vishuddhi, we're activating the throat. All of them are very important, but this is just above the bridge that the anahata is connecting the upper ones and the lower ones. So here it is the safe expression. It is the safe expression of everything happening lower and higher, and how we express it to ourselves but also to the world. So this is a very important chakra, more important that most people give attention to. So as always, I will start in a while the already recorded passage I have for the activation, but let's see it again either in Siddhasana or in Lotus, however you feel comfortable, placing the hands or chin mudra, having erect back but at the same time very relaxed body. And as I will start now in a while, put your attention awareness to the throat trigger point right here, and connect it all the way to the back. You can also feel it a little bit with your hand where the trigger points are and where the chakra is located, so it will be more easy for your mind to put the awareness exactly where it needs to send the energy and when it needs to activate the passage. So sit in a comfortable position and let's start. Lotus, chin mudra, back erect, body calm, strong. And start. Bring your attention up to the throat area. Become aware of the point of the throat pit. This is the trigger point. Be aware of the pulse beat at the throat. Complete awareness of the pulse beat at your sternum, your trigger point in the front. Now move your awareness straight back to the spine, just like I showed you. This is the location of your vishuddhi chakra. Hold your attention at this point and feel the pulsation there. Your whole awareness is at this chakra in the back. Become aware of your natural breath. Feel that you are breathing in and out through the throat. Experience the breath entering the body through the throat as you inhale and moving straight back in the spine. Experience the breath moving from the back to your throat as you exhale. Keep your awareness moving with the breath between these 2 points. Feel the gentle expansion and contraction of the throat area with each inhalation and exhalation. While inhaling, the throat area expands and the breath moves from your vishuddhi sternum to your vishuddhi chakra. While exhaling, the throat contracts and the breath moves from your vishuddhi chakra to your vishuddhi sternum, your trigger point in the front. Experience the movement of breath in this psychic pathway. Feel that you are connecting the front and the back. Intensify your awareness of the psychic passage and the breath moving between these 2 points. Be aware of the breath piercing the vishuddhi sternum and your chakra point. Allow your whole awareness to move with the breath through the psychic passage. Stay there for some time. Now on the mantra Om. As you inhale, mentally repeat the mantra Om. Feel the mantra moving with the breath from the trigger point straight back to your chakra. As you exhale, mentally repeat the mantra Om. Feel the mantra moving forward with the breath from the back to the front. Experience the vibration of the mantra in the psychic pathway. Feel the mantra and breath moving through your vishuddhi sternum to your vishuddhi chakra. Feel the mantra and breath purifying and opening your vishuddhi chakra, your throat chakra, your expression. Continue this way with steady, unbroken awareness for 5 minutes. Thank you. Namaste. If you have reached this far, make sure that you're also following the next video, which is the 6th chakra activation, your 3rd eye activation, and after this we're reaching the end, we're reaching the crown. We're going to start again and activate the entire 7 chakras by chanting the Om and by focusing again to opening the pathways of the second point. Make sure if you did find this helpful or different to like, subscribe, and maybe put the notification on. So I do try to bring direct knowledge from the Vedic principle and pure Vedic meditation. So if you are interested in this part of the Vedic culture and pure knowledge, stay tuned. Namaste. Thank you. Haram Tat Sat.